Unanimous. We come to the moment of the rite of marriage. The parents and principal sponsors are invited to stand. Please stand, parents and principal sponsors. Together in holy covenant of marriage, bestow, answer, I do. Will you love her, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her, so long as you both shall live? So answer, I do. And wait. Will you have this man to be your husband, to live together in holy covenant of marriage? So answer, I do. Will you love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? So answer, I do. To both of you.
I love you. To me, you are the greatest teacher who taught me many invaluable lessons, how to love and accept love in return. You are the most precious human being in my life, who I want to always cherish and never leave behind, who brings warmth and light into my heart. You are the best and the most unique adventure of my life. Ever since I've met you, there has never been a dull moment. I'm proud to be able to confidently say that our relationship might be the most interesting one compared to anyone I know and deserve to be written about in a book someday. And I truly believe that despite all the hardships we've been through and all the difficulties that might await us in the future, we made it all worth it. I vow to join my life with yours, to share with you all that is to be, to laugh with you in joy, to comfort you in sorrow, to grow with you in love. I vow to honor you and be faithful to you all the days of my life, and to never complain about your